Hello, my name is Ron Nada. I'm the Director of Pre-Construction, and today we'll be talking about lead coordination. Lead coordination in pre-construction is really the act of facilitating, coordinating meetings, and using our expertise to coordinate all the subcontractors together. Lead coordination can help remove any costly impacts later in the project because you have an individual that's specifically associated with going out and finding potential issues, tracking those down, assigning those to individuals that will be responsible for it. Clash detection plays a large role in lead coordination. Often when you hear about lead coordination, you automatically associate it with clash detection. However, it goes beyond that. We want to better understand, how is this building going to go together? What kind of issues are we going to have? Do we have the right clearances? Can we access the valves? And there's a lot of review time that's spent in the background to ensure that we don't have pipes that are crossing in front of points of connection. If we don't do that, there's huge cost impacts because we get out in the field and then we realize that we have a problem. Now we've invested time and material in the field, and that becomes costly. The biggest importance to lead coordination is that there's somebody ultimately responsible for bringing all the subcontractors together and they're effective in their job and making sure that they're following up on those issues.